As a parts counter person, you interact with service advisors regularly. You can provide added value by offering them guidance on how to better communicate with their customers regarding turbocharger issues. Turbochargers can be complex, so the following information is designed to help the service advisors you support effectively communicate and build trust with their customers. Here are some key talking points counter personnel can utilize in conversations with service advisors. The importance of first impressions and customer education. Remind service advisors that they are the first point of contact. When a customer mentions a turbo issue, it's important to explain that the problem may not always be the turbo itself. Other vehicle components could be the root cause. Setting clear expectations early helps build trust and avoid unnecessary repairs. The downside of quick fixes. Remind service advisors that simply replacing the turbocharger doesn't always solve the problem. To prevent repeat failures, diagnosing the root cause is essential. Encourage them to ask customers detailed questions about the vehicle's history and symptoms. The TerraPower Turbo process. Help service advisors understand and apply the TerraPower Turbo process to provide a structured approach to turbocharger diagnostics and repair. Explain how each step benefits both the shop and the customer. Communication is critical in your job, of course. Share these tips on customer interaction with service advisors. Ask the right questions. What happened to the last turbo? Gather the history. Was the original turbo correct for the vehicle, and is the correct replacement available for the vehicle? Confirm compatibility. Were oil restrictions or contaminations present or identified? Look for root causes. Explain the troubleshooting process. The T in turbo is for troubleshoot. Encourage service advisors to explain that a proper diagnosis must happen before any replacement. You can troubleshoot using TerraPower's START resource, the Symptom Troubleshooting and Resolution tool. This innovative interactive resource is designed to help customers quickly diagnose possible turbocharger issues and find the right fix, saving time, reducing costs, and restoring confidence. Discuss oil recommendations. The U is for use recommended oil. Service advisors should ask about the type of oil being used and the last oil change. Explain the relationship between oil quality and turbocharger longevity. Stress replacing key components. The R is for replace key components. Emphasize that it's important to replace all components, such as the oil feed line, the oil return line, oil filter, air filter, gaskets, seals, banjo bolts, and washers that may have been damaged, as well as anything that may cause damage. Inform customers about priming. The B is for be sure to prime. Make sure that the turbo has been primed before going for a drive. Our support team. The O reminds service advisors that if they have any issues, they can contact TerraPower, as the company reminds us our team is there to help them. Transparency and education. Emphasize that explaining the steps being taken and why will build trust with the customer. This transparency reduces anxiety and demonstrates the shop's commitment to quality. There are real benefits to the shop and to you of using these talking points. Increased customer satisfaction. Thorough diagnostics and clear communication lead to happier customers. Reduced repeat failures. Addressing the root cause of the problem prevents comebacks. Stronger shop reputation. Providing reliable service builds trust and encourages repeat business. Increased parts sales. Proactive diagnostics often lead to the sale of additional parts like filters, oil, and etc. Easier interactions. Knowledgeable service advisors ask the right questions, making your job easier and faster. Help your customers do a better job serving their customers. Direct service advisors to terrapower.com/turbochargers to access helpful resources and learn more about turbocharger technology and best practices.